Next, let's explore the question element. This feature lets you add an open-ended question box to your flipbook page. To add a question, go back to the Interaction tab in the Design Studio left panel. Under Engagement, choose the question element and add it to your page. Just like with the quizzes, this feature is available on business and enterprise plans. After placing the question box on your page, the left settings panel will show you options for the questions. First, simply type the question text. This is the prompt your readers will see. You can resize the question box and adjust the opacity of its background if needed to make it fit nicely into your design. Then, click the Question Settings button to customize additional options. In the Settings window, you'll find fields to adjust the tooltip, button label, and thank you message. The tooltip is a short helper message that will appear when users hover over the question icon or area. You might use it to further explain what kind of answer you're looking for. The button label lets you change the text of the submission button. And the thank you message is what readers will see after they submit their answer. Scrolling down in the question settings, you'll see the same privacy and data settings we saw with the quizzes. You can toggle Collect Email Address if you want to require the user's email when they submit an answer. As before, if your flipbook is private to specific readers or SSO, their emails might be logged automatically, so requiring an email for the question might not be necessary. You can add your privacy policy link and GDPR consent checkbox text here as well, to ensure compliance with collecting user data. Once you've configured everything, click Save Changes. To view responses to your question, find the relevant flipbook and click Analytics. On the left side of the Analytics page, you'll find a question area. By clicking on it, you can view the Responses Received section, which shows the total number of answers submitted for a given question. In the Response Details table, you'll see a list of answers to the questions used in a specific flipbook.